Now, celebrated Indian playback singer Asha Bhosle died at the age of 92. Her last rites have been taking place on Monday. In Indian cinema, many voices have achieved greatness, but very few have lived and breathed like Asha Bhosle. Let's take a look at the life of the artist who inspired the younger generations.
Over a career spanning more than 8 decades with nearly 12,000 songs, she didn't just sing the notes given to her, she redefined what it meant to be a female artist in India. She took on every singing job she could find to support her family. Years later, in 1980, she married the legendary composer R.D. Burman. She lived unapologetically, navigating love, heartbreak, and independence with a fiercely modern spirit that refused to bow to societal expectations. In the early days of her career, the industry had limited roles for female voices, the pure heroine and the westernized vamp. While the heroine's songs largely went to her older sister, Lata Mangeshkar, Asha took the leftover tracks, which were mainly the voices of the cabaret numbers, the rock and roll experiments, the seductive club songs. Her talent? She defined an era with her choices. She was a melodious, vociferous chameleon who refused to be pinned down to a single genre. Where others found comfort in classical melodies, Asha was breathing life into Western pop, jazz, and cabaret. Yet, just when critics thought they had her figured out, she would deliver a soul-stirring ghazal or a deeply traditional classical piece that left listeners in awe. Even in her 60s, she reinvented herself for the generation, collaborating with indie pop artists and A.R. Rahman to become a chart-topping icon for the youth of the 1990s. Under the music direction of O.P. Nair, her husband R.D. Burman, Asha Bhosle redefined the sound of 60s and 70s. In the 90s, when India was witnessing its liberation phase, the entertainment landscape was Bhosle was always up for challenges. Asha Bhosle was not just a playback singer, she was a testament to resilience, versatility, and the power of doing things your own way. She didn't just sing the soundtrack of India, she showed generations of women how to march to the beat of their own drum. The Guinness Book of World Records recognizes her as the most recorded artist in music history. Asha Bhosle's real legacy isn't just in her volume of work, but in her fearless versatility.